In this video, we will see how to make cage door with lock for birds like this in this video. Likewise, and in the below mentioned description in this video, I have given link for how to make wooden frame for the bird's cage with calculation and ideas. So see it for your reference. So let's get into the video now. See, now we are going to make the bird net with door. Let's go. First initial thing we need to check with this with the net and its size. See over here. First we have to fix it. See, first we are fixing and then we have to check with the size. So now I have fixed and then I need to check with the size over here. See, I have to measure it over here. I should cut over here or here. It is safe, so I will cut over here. See, over here and then size up to here. And then I will cut. Okay friends, let's go and cut. So let us start cutting. This is the marked over the area and this is length, after which and then below which. So let's start cutting. So we are made with the cutting over length and breadth. Keep this safe because it will be helpful for making the big and the small gates for birds. So let's check this big one with the shelf. Let's go. See, now let's check. See, it's perfectly matching friends. After fitting the gate we can fit in this net shelf. Let's go to make the gates. Now we are going to make cage door for birds. First initially we need to measure the size. See, this is the waist net we are going to make with it. See, over already measured, but we have to measure how much size. 2 sides extra and here over 2 sides extra. So up to here and then I have to cut in this 2 extra over here. And see over here 2 extra. So I will keep over here up to here. I have marked here. So I need to mark over here. So I need to mark 2 extra. So third I have to cut. Here I have to cut. And then over here 2 extra. And then downstairs 2 plus 1. Then over down is 2 plus 1. It's already right. 2, 2, 2. We need to cut over here. Let's go. First we need to cut with this cage door. So we have finished cutting over here. So this is the cage, 1 at the upper level extra and then 2 at the downstairs extra, because the excess net will make the birds to be safe, not escaping. So only I have given this extra sides. So let's go for making the door in this and then we can cut over the second one. Now we are making the upside down door. See over here, up and then down over here. So let's go and take the binding wire and then measure which is fitting with this at half, at the half side. See over here it is fitting and then somewhat extra. So over here I am cutting same size we need 4 no, 2 we need same size because it is the gate's top, same size 2, and then measure with the side. See over here up to here, and then cut slightly extra over here, and then same size is needed again for the other side. Measure over here, and then over here, yeah, 2 for 2 sides, and then for top half and then half, and then for the bottom we need to check with it. See, we need to check with the bottom. Don't bend, sorry I have bent it. See over here up to here. Okay, that's good. First initially fit with the sides. See, fitting over here, first you need to keep over here and then using some cutting blades, because I have only cutting blades, no other devices, so it will take some time. So first to bend this, so I will initially bend and then add this. At last I will add this thread binding wire. See, can I now add this through this bending knots? I will finish and then come at last, because time will vary slightly. Likewise up to here you need to do. I will do the last one. I will show you. Wait, up to here we need to do with everything. I will show you only the last one because time will take. See, I have made with the last one and then inserted the binding wire over here. Okay friends, I will do and then come. See, we have made with the 3 sides, 3 corners, and then I will say for the top corner at which the bottom the door will be setting. See over here, we have to place this half over here, half over here up to here. See, up to here, and then the other half over there up to here, and then the other half over here. See, same over here, because the 2 threads we will be making, so over here we will be fitting. That's it friends, I will do and then come. Wait for it. See, we have made up to here. The 2 knots, we need to make a knot over here. See, making a knot over here, and then we will, so not needed I think so, 2 things, and then press over here, gently press, and then we can make 2 knots over the upper side. Now we can cut with the cage. See, this is how the cage will be fixed, and we will be knotting over here knots, so the cage door will be moving up and then down. We will set the lock over here. Wait and see. Now we can start cutting over the inner parts. So start cutting over the inner part of the black area. And then come. So we have bended over the four side. See over here we have bended because it should not hurt us so only. So next we can fit the door. Except the top area, cut over the other areas and then bend. See. Now the gate is ready, we have to fix it. So we should turn back side. And then keep over here. Correctly placing it. And then at this area you need to turn it off. You need to turn it off. See above which. And then at the center you need to fix the two ones. See, sorry, I didn't have any good equipment, so only I am doing like this. Sorry for late issues. To take it out and then bend over here. See, you need to bend it like this. So likewise over the second one. Then at the center you need to, that's it, and the excess you need to cut it off. This excess you need to cut it off. So likewise over here, the excess, if you can fold you keep, otherwise please cut it off. I could fold over here. Folder over here, I have a folder, and then at the center you need to make these two things to be out. And then see, pass over the center area. See, passing over the center area and then take out, pressing it over here. See, you have to take it out, press over here. And take out. At the back side you can come and then pull this out. I don't have any equipments, good equipments, so only I am using this. Please do have good equipments. If you have cost, I didn't have cost, so only I am using this. I am poor. So that's it friends, I have made a knot over here. I have made a knot. That's it friends. You could cut the extra waste. So I have made 3 knots and then cutting the extra one, and then you could fold without fold us, it should not hurt us. So now we can make the lock for the knit. So let us go. It is very simple to make a knot. Take a big foldable binding steel, and then see over here, make it into likewise, and then make the foldings, because it will be very strong. That's why I am making it. And then bend at the downstairs using the cutting blade. See, bend with the good move, see, and then you could place 2 steps or 3 steps beyond. I am placing 2 steps, so okay, 3 steps beyond, and then check over the height which you need. See, the height I need is up to here, so see, over here I will make a knot. Same over here, I have to make a knot. See, you have to fix very strongly. I am fixing at the 3rd step. 1, 2, 3. On the 3rd step I am fixing. See, you need to be very stable. While fixing, so use cutting blade for some more hardness. So then you have to and then at the back side you need to take it out and then make a ring like structure. So pull it out, you should grab it and then make a other knot. Okay friends, see, now the 2 lock is ready, so you could easily open it likewise and then close it again. It's very simple and very tight. Okay friends, that's it. The door is ready. Now we can fit in the shelf. See now how much thread length is enough, you need to check and then cut with the many ones, and then I am not using the nails or to place. See, likewise I am using to place the net. See, now I have cutted the same size for fitting like this. I will fit and then come. See, now we have inserted the cables of the binding wire, so now you could place the net and then fit it. Now we can start fixing the cage with the binding wires. See, inside I have placed the bird's wing or bird's stand over there before placing this cage net, because after which we can't place the stand. So let's start binding. See, now we have made fully. See the base, it is a removing stand I have set now. See, you can remove and then replace. Due to the stand over there we can't remove, so it is placed. For cleaning we have placed the stand and then See over here, this is the gate which we have fixed, and finally we have finished with a good finches stand. Now we are going to release the finches into this. Let's go. See, now we are releasing the birds into the inner shelf. See, we are making it to fly, but it is not flying. Wait for a few seconds, it will go inside. Thank you friends, see you on the next video.